Recently, some blurry but striking images have surfaced on the internet. China's third aircraft carrier, the Fujian, is suspected to have tested the takeoff performance of its Airborne Police 600 early warning aircraft during its latest round of sea trials. Previously, the Fujian ship conducted 5 consecutive sea trials in the Yellow Sea and Hawkeye Sea, tested the power plant, power system and radar, navigation, communications, data chain, command system, electromagnetic catapult and other equipment to verify the reliability, stability and safety of these key equipment. In addition, Fujian ship also simulated the operation of the elevator, J-15T and other related types of carrier aircraft full-size model in the hangar and deck placement and operation, as well as ship and aircraft fusion process of touching the ship to fly again, and simulated landing of carrier aircraft, etc. Has been for the 6th sea trial. The ship's aircraft catapult takeoff has laid a solid foundation for the 6th sea trial. In the recently disclosed internet pictures, a small green dot appeared near the port side of the bow of the Fujian ship, attracting many onlookers who were concerned about the movement of the Fujian ship. Some netizens interpreted it as a fixed-wing AWACS. The famous Airborne Police 600, which has not yet been officially inducted into the fleet. The little green dot, it is located in the Fujian ship 3 catapult electromagnetic ejection after the flight track. Obviously oblique deck deployment of the catapult by the ejection. This judgment should have some reason. Early warning aircraft is relatively large. The length of the deck and the flight space has more stringent requirements. Using a slanted deck catapult for ejection, the spacious area can meet the needs of the AWACS to eject and accelerate taxiing into the air. If the netizen's judgment is correct, it means that the implementation of the 6th sea trial mission, Fujian ship, it is likely to have carried out the electromagnetic catapult test of the carrier aircraft. Flying off the deck to complete the catapult of the airborne early warning aircraft is the Airborne Police 600. The green-skinned carrier aircraft, in the Chinese Navy's related models, seems to be the Air Alert 600 early warning aircraft. The Airborne Alert 600, which was painted green, was photographed by netizens during a flight test near the Xingcheng Land Training Base in Liaoning Province, when it was still a certification aircraft. Commercial satellites can't take pictures with the same resolution as military reconnaissance satellites. Then it looks blurred, and netizens have to burn their brains to recognize it, but also based on relevant military knowledge, which is really a technical work. Of course, this is a very test of the netizens for the Chinese Navy relevant models of carrier aircraft mastery. Those unobstructed high-definition satellite images, but also lost the netizens based on their own military knowledge. The fun of drawing conclusions related to speculation. Bulgarian military websites, among others, also believe that the Fujian ship catapulted an Air Alert 600 early warning aircraft during its 6th sea trial. The only thing is that China has not officially confirmed it, which is in line with the Chinese military's style of rarely announcing such milestones in real time. The Airborne Alert 600 has been compared to the U.S. Navy's E-2D, Advanced Hawkeye, which is currently in service. Both are powered by turboprop engines to optimize fuel efficiency and extend hovering time in the air. Both have a big disc on their backs, and both can see farther than air and sea targets, and both have high detection accuracy. China in the gallium nitride T, or chip, to lead the United States, and the West gallium arsenide T, or chip technology for one generation, have the advantage of latecomer Air Marshal 600 than the E-2D, Advanced Hawkeye, in the phased array radar technology to lead a generation, for target detection, tracking, surveillance, locking precision to be higher. The active phased array radar system on the back of the Air Marshal 600 AWACS can provide 360 degrees coverage, enabling it to simultaneously detect and track multiple air and surface targets over a wide area, and can detect, identify and lock the F-22, Raptor, F-35, Lightning II, and other 5th-generation stealth fighters. It is seen as a key component of China's push to build a blue water navy capable of projecting global power. The successful integration of the Airborne Alert 600 early warning aircraft with the Fujian ship marks a key achievement in the Chinese Navy's efforts to modernize its carrier fleet, and represents a major leap forward for the Chinese Navy's situational awareness capabilities in air and sea operations and power projection. A major leap forward. On January the 2nd, it was officially disclosed on CCTV's CCTV 7 National Defense and Military Channel highlighting the status of the Air Alert 600 early warning aircraft, and the J-35 stealth fighter is the most critical carrier aircraft supporting the 80,000-ton heavy carrier. The former controls the sea and air situational awareness of the Fujian carrier formation, and can guide, coordinate and command the entire formation to perform anti-ship, air defense and shore attack tasks. The latter is mainly used to suppress the opponent's ship-carrying fighters, knock out the opponent's early warning aircraft, and other key nodes in the air, to seize the air control of local waters. The Fujian ship has conducted a test of ejection of the Airborne Alert 600 early warning aircraft, and if these claims on the internet are accurate, then this test marks a big step forward for the Fujian ship before it is officially commissioned. The Fujian ship is equipped with an electromagnetic catapult launch system designed to rival that of the U.S. Navy's Ford-class carriers. It is the second aircraft carrier in the world to adopt the electromagnetic catapult track after the Ford-class carriers, reflecting China's surpassing of Europe and catching up with the United States in the field of aircraft carriers. Its entry into the Chinese Navy has significant equipment value and strategic significance, and we expect the Fujian ship to be commissioned by the end of the year, which will help safeguard the territorial sovereignty and maritime rights and interests of the motherland, and expand the overall strength and international influence of the Chinese Navy.